Moving on now. After a record-breaking rally last year, gold and silver prices are suddenly doing something investors hate to see. They're slipping hard. Over the last few trading sessions, both precious metals have lost massive value. Spot gold has fallen around 3% in the past 1 week. In India, gold prices have reportedly dropped nearly 16%, sliding to around 1.51 lakh rupees per 10 grams in just the past 2 weeks. Silver has fallen even more sharply, plunging by 38% in the same period. Now, normally when prices fall this much, you'd expect one thing: a buying spree. Because for most people, cheaper gold means wedding shopping, investment buying, and that classic instinct of buy before it goes up again. But this time, the rush isn't happening, according to sellers cited in media reports. In fact, even though jewellery stores are seeing more people walk in, reports suggest many customers are still hesitating because they believe the rates might fall even further. Gold and silver prices aren't falling because the metals have suddenly become less valuable. They're falling because the number of buyers willing to jump in right now has weakened. And when demand softens, even a safe asset like gold can get shaky. A major reason behind this fall is that safe haven demand is easing, owing to the cooling of global tensions.
Bull markets need to be fed fresh fundamental fodder often, and with the gold and silver markets, there's been a lack of fresh bullish fundamental news lately to drive prices still higher. If the US can avoid attacking Iran, market anxiety would ease, and that would be negative for safe haven gold and silver, and same applies to the Russia-Ukraine talks.
It comes after US President Donald Trump recently hinted at indirect involvement in the US-Iran nuclear talks in Geneva that took place yesterday. This gave markets hope that diplomacy might prevent an escalation. At the same time, fresh talks between Russia and Ukraine have reduced the immediate fears of a sudden major escalation. However, the story doesn't end there. After slipping, gold and silver have started trading in the green again today, meaning prices are rising slightly. That bounce is exactly what is confusing buyers. There is extreme volatility, and that is creating hesitation among buyers. Industry executives believe demand will recover strongly once gold prices stabilise. So for now, gold and silver are trapped in a tug of war between fear, diplomacy, dollar strength and demand. And buyers are left asking the same question: is this the dip to buy, or just the beginning of a bigger fall?
Power doesn't end quietly. Some deaths are not accidents. They are messages. A gunshot. A crowd. A country frozen. The killer disappears. The questions don't. This is not just about who died. It's about what followed. Governments fell. Armies moved. History rewrote itself. 5 leaders. 5 moments. One pattern. The assassination.